In this video, I will show you how to master the copy and paste functions in Adobe Express to speed up your creative workflow. Whether you are designing a social media post, a flyer, or a quick video, being able to replicate elements efficiently is a fundamental skill that will save you a lot of time. To get started, open your project and identify the specific item you want to duplicate. This could be a stylized text box, a high-quality image, a vector shape, or even a video clip. Simply click on the element once to select it, so that the transform controls appear around the edges. Once your item is selected, it is time to use your keyboard shortcuts. If you are using a Windows computer, press Ctrl and C at the same time. If you are working on a Mac, press Command and C instead. This action copies the item to your clipboard instantly. Now, to place the copy onto your canvas, press Ctrl and V if you are on Windows, or Command and V if you are on Mac. You will notice that the duplicated item appears slightly offset from the original position, making it easy to grab and move to a new spot. This offset is helpful because it prevents the new layer from being hidden directly underneath the old one. You can repeat this pasting process as many times